Hello and welcome to A Geordie Outdoors. I'm back out in the lakes again this weekend. I'm off up Rannerdale Knott. I'm lucky enough to get this space in the car park just at the bottom there. So just when you come out of your car park, turn right, head back towards the church, and then you'll see a public footpath. And this is where we are now. There's the path that we'll head up to from the car park. And there's the gate we'll have to go through. I'm out with my little friend Floki again. Unfortunately it's going to be a solo camp because everybody's a bit busy this weekend. Once you come through the gate, you've got to head up that track. Follow it up there, all the way up to where them people are at the top there. So I'll bring you back when we get up to that top. Look at these views. Let's put them here down the bottom there. Look at the clouds though. Very moody. And you can just see Crummock water over there. And there's the ridge, just in the distance of Rannerdale Knott. Come on, Floki. There you go, look. Almost there. I've just reached the top of the bit where you go along that path there. And where them people are, we're nearly there. And that one up there, that's Whiteless Pike. That's where Paul, myself and Dave went. I've got to say, man, that was a killer carrying all this weight. But what the views we had from up at the top. Absolutely brilliant, like. A couple of sheep. Meh. Mint views though. So lucky living over here. Wonder if I'll get a cloud invasion in the morning. Doesn't look like I'm going to get a sunset. That's the last little bit we've got to get up and then we should be on the ridge. And there's where we came up. Nice, isn't it? I'm puffing and panting and sweating like a rapist on death row. Oh, just down my shoulder there, there's a ridge we have to walk along and then a little scramble. See where them people are up there? There's the tail end of Crummock water. In the distance you can just see those water. Absolutely spectacular up here. And there's a lovely little breeze and all, which is cooling me down. Although it's only 17.5 degrees, it's still canny muggy like. The views just keep getting better and better. I don't care if it's a bit overcast, a little bit windy. I'm in the Scarp tonight, so everything should be alright. There's the path that will come along. And there's the bit we have to go to. It's not a bad little walk this. Short and steep. But I'll tell you, there's going to be a well-earned beer when I get to the top of here, man. Floki. Look at him, man. He pure loves being up here. He's got his backpack on, with his food in one side, his biscuits in the other, and he's even got 500ml of water today. He loves it up here. Look, he loves the camp life. And if you look up there, that's the next bit. It's a nice little scramble. Shouldn't be too hard. And then we're at the top. Get the chair out, get the jacket out because it's kind of windy. So it doesn't look like the drone's going up today, unfortunately. and I'm going to crack open a beer. There we go. Doesn't look too bad of a little scramble. Should be alright. It's not even that bad, man, look. Yogi. What you doing, boy? You're like a little mountain goat, aren't you? Ladies, I wish you would take your pea paper back with you. Put in a little carrier bag, man. Leave no trace. That's where that little bit of a scramble was. Wasn't too bad. Floki struggled a little bit of it, like. Beautiful, that, isn't it? And then now we have to go down the side. I've already seen the cairn, so we're not that far away now. About 5 minutes and we'll be tapping the cairn, getting the chair out and having a beer. Beer. There we go, there's the cairn. Rannerdale Knott. Bosh. Another one done. Look at the views from up here though. Big old dirty clouds. That one there looks like it's got a puppy in it. And there's Whiteless Pike. That was mint going up there with the lads, like. And I think that's where I'm going to pitch for the night. Alright, that's it. Managed to get to the top of Rannerdale Knott. And like I said, I'll climb a mountain for a canny bottle of dog. But as per the normal, I don't carry bottles, but I have a can. And I've got to drink it now because it's got a slight puncture in it. So, oh, listen to that. Oh, you can't beat a bottle of dog. So I'm going to sit and sup this because obviously it's got a little puncture in it. Don't know if you can see it coming out. No, oh, there it is there. Just a tiny little hole. See it? It's just as well I put all my stuff in dry bags, like, isn't it? So I'm going to have this beer and then I think I'm going to set up for the night before it starts raining because them clouds are coming in, like. Bring us back in a bit. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's just starting to rain. I got to the summit, had a quick beer, and then set up because it was looking a bit moody out there, like. So unfortunately, it started to rain, and so I've had to come in the tent, like. Hoping I'm just going to be like a quick shower. I'm in the OEX Leviathan EV900. Sleeping mat is a Sea to Summit FLite Extreme. But it's inside an army bivvy bag to protect it from Floki's claws. That's his blanket for the night. But normally I put his down jacket down and wrap him up in the blanket. But he never gets cold. Got like one tin of beer left. I've got a bottle of gin. That must be outside, but I'm going to have to go and get that. But tonight for my tea, I'm going to try these Mylar bags. So it's the same thing, boiling the bag, except you buy the bag, fill it with the food you want and then seal it on the top with this heat seal, like. So inside there is one of my homemade stews, beef stew. But next time I'm going to have to like cube it a lot more because when I make my stew I like big chunks in it, like, so I couldn't get out of the potatoes and that in it. That's going to be lush tonight. Got some Haribos, never too old for Haribos, like. Packet of nuts. These nuts! Got my little JBL speaker for some tunes later. Litre and a half of water, Floki's dinner, my OEX Hero stove. That's an empty tin of beer. No, it's not, some left in there. Now it's an empty tin of beer. There's my foldable cup. all day brekkie for the morning. A little bit left to float his water, but we've got plenty there, like. And yeah, that's about it. So, right, brought my drone with us. Not going to get out today unless it's like nice and calm tomorrow morning. Some more camera equipment, spare GoPro, spare batteries for the GoPro, charger, leader, and dog's dinner bowl. So when I get that miler bag and cook some tea later, I'll bring this back like and see what it's like. But hopefully my beef stew is going to be wicked, like. I just hope it fits in the Hero stove. But this is because I'm sick of Wayfarer's chicken tikka. It's just starting to taste like bleh, you know what I mean? And it's the only one I like. So my mate Paul, come be a lad outdoors, he's doing this and all, like. So it means I can do mince and tetties, spag bol, beef stews, save a bit of money and all instead of wasting it all on them Wayfarers. But the Wayfarer breakfast, man, fully recommend that bad boy. It's about the best one to do, but you can't live on breakfast all the time. Anyway, I'll bring his back later when it stops raining and show him my setup. But at least I'm in the scarp, so all's good. Look at this for a pitch. See in the distance there, Crummock water. Right in the distance, Lowes water. There's the cane. So, but look at the clouds, man. It's just a shame it's raining. Hopefully it'll just pass by though. Mega moody clouds. Just as well, I'm in the trusted Scarp one. There's my seat, I must put that inside, otherwise it's going to get soaking. But look at that, man. I've got a litre of pre-mixed gin. Hide some strawberries in it last night. So it's turned into a nice pink gin now, like, isn't it? We're having that later. Keep me warm. I better get that chair inside, like. But look who's up here. Tactical duck. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, I can't tell you, like. Look at that, man, isn't it beautiful? Same about the rain. But even when it rains, it's still beautiful in Cumbria. There's the cane. Amazing 360 views. And there I was with the boys a couple of months ago, Whitelist Pike, with Paul and Dave, aka Mr. Outdoors. Look at that clouds rolling in on Grassmore. Wouldn't like to be up there right now. Right, it's getting a bit windy, so I'm not sure whether you're going to hear me or not, so I'm going to go and get that chair in. Sit in the tent, have a beer. Hopefully bring back later. Right, just had to have about 40 minutes in the tent because of the rain just suddenly come down, like. So I've scrammed all the peanuts, well, cashew nuts I should say, and a few Haribos. But look at, man, even that's still getting a bit moody. There's a double here. It's still lush, like. And look at that. There's something about the Scarp one, like, as a tent it's a thing of beauty, in it. Withstands anything, man. Isn't she beautiful? But once again, got mid views, even though it's getting a bit windy. Take you up here and all. As soon as you come up here, You can probably hear the wind buffering on the microphone, so I'm not sure you'll hear this like. There's Floki loving the camp life. Never gans far. No, as soon as you come down here, I'm quite lucky. There seems to be a bit of a windbreak here. It's nice and flat anyway, so I've got a canny good pitch for the night. And anyone that's been in the Scarp will know it'll withstand most, like, especially with them poles on. Cracking views, man. I think that's Grassmore up there, like up there. Well, I would like to be up there tonight. And that up there is definitely Whiteless Pike, where me and the lads were a couple of months ago. But I'm going to get some scran on now. I'm going to try that miler bag with my stew in it, so I'll bring his back later, hopefully, let you know how I get on. Time to feed the pooch and all. Chow time. Gotta wait till it boils now. Apparently from what Paul was saying, it takes a little bit longer, obviously because it's got more in it, like. But we'll see how it goes. But look at me pink gin with the strawberries in. That's lovely, like I've already had a little bit of mouthful of that. Come on you, in you get. If you knock my food hour, I'd not be happy, like. Are you getting in or not? You getting in? Come on, in you get. Good boy. The joys of camping with a dog. And that's one. You're a good boy. Look at this man. Fast asleep, curled up on my bed. You'll be getting kicked off that later, I'm telling you. Scran on the go. It's gotta be tasty as out, that one. Gotta say, man, right, my scran's ready now. 15 minutes on the boil. Look at that, man, big massive chunks of beef and everything. Snannies for you people down south that's a turn up. Carrots, potatoes, leeks. I'm trying to think what else I put in it. I think that's about it. Absolutely gorgeous, like. Look at that. I've got better than any wayfarer. Right, so I'm going to get my scran because this is absolutely gorgeous. And I reckon about 15 to 20 minutes on these will do, like. Absolutely gorgeous. That was absolutely amazing. I mean, look, scrammed a lot, like. It was beef stew. And I marinated it in Worcester sauce, all the beef the night before. Oh, excuse me. Had tomatoes in it, leeks, onions, carrots, potatoes, some snannies, which is turnips for you down south. Pepper. I think that's about it, like. But honestly, absolutely gorgeous. The only trouble is though, when you're doing it like that, you kind of put the big chunks of titties in it, like I like, when you're not doing a normal stew. So I think next time, Morrison's will do like a bag of chopped carrots and snannies and I think it's just potato. Is it? No, I think it's just like carrots and swede. Pre-mixed for a casserole, like, you know what I mean? Nicely diced cubes, like. So I'm going to try that next time and make a few of these. Well, these are miler bags. And you just fill them up and then seal it over the top with a special sealer thing. And I kept it in a dry bag just in case it exploded, like, so I didn't want my kit having beef stew all over it. Well, fully recommend them, man. It was lovely. Much better than a Wayfarer's. Filled me up a treat, like. Now I've got my gin. And I've still got some Haribos. Just as well Freddy for outdoors is not here because he'd scrammed a lot. You know, there was one time I was camping, right, and I think I was in Landales, with Craig, Paul, Freddie, and everybody went to bed. So it was me and Craig left up having a few beers and that. And I says to Craig, I goes, "Have you got any Haribos?" He goes, "Aye, I've got a packet left." "Get your Haribos out, mate. I've got the munchies." So he went to his tent, got the Haribos out. Freddie heard the rustle of the packet, and I shit you not, mate, he was out of his sleeping bag, straight in there. "Get me Haribos." Freddie, if you're watching this, mate, I love you to bits. But yeah, keep your Haribos away from Freddie if he's around, like. And there we go, back at the National Trust car park. Rannerdale Knott, you're a wicked little fell. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.